Are glass mouse pads really better than using a cloth pad? I've used cloth mouse pads for the longest time, but sometimes I felt like smaller movements were harder to make since it felt like there was too much grab from the point where the mouse isn't moving to when you make a small adjustment, it overshoots. I wanted to get better with the mouse and keyboard, so first I went with a lightweight mouse like the Logitech G Pro X2 Super Strike. That was a cool little upgrade, but mainly for clicking. Then I found out they make glass mouse pads, so I got this one from Wallhack, the SP-005. I started unboxing it and set it on my desk, and this thing is freaking huge. Good thing I have a monitor arm or else this wouldn't even fit. It's 20 inches by 17.3 inches, bigger than the SP-004. Still pretty thin, only 2.5 millimeters of glass, and then a non-slip silicone base at the bottom that only has another 0.8 millimeters. This looks premium. I thought it was gonna be glossy, but when I took it out of the box, I saw this textured like matte finish, which looks great because you don't see your fingerprints or smudges all over it. It curves around the edges, so it makes it comfortable to lay your arm or your wrist anywhere on a glass pad. It's nice that they give you this travel case in case you need to take this big, heavy, premium glass pad anywhere without smashing it. It's supposed to be a really strong tempered glass, which I'm gonna take their word for it because I'm not trying to destroy this thing in this video. First time I put my mouse on the glass pad, I was like, okay, this feels smoother and it's faster. Let's run Battlefield 6 on this because coming from Call of Duty, I struggled with this game because you can't just run and gun, and I feel like it takes more shots to bring your target down in Battlefield. So the first round in was crazy because I was actually doing good in this game. I was like, dang, I'm actually on target right now. At the end of the game, our team won and I was up on my KD. So I'm like, all right, let me try another one. Played another round, and this time I was actually second best on my team, which was a new accomplishment for me. At this point, I felt like this glass pad just unlocked a new ability. I went to sleep after, and then I went to work the next day, and I just couldn't wait to go home to play again. Compared to glass, a cloth pad has more friction, so when your mouse isn't moving and you need to make that initial movement, it's almost like having latency or dead zones on a controller's stick, because it feels like it takes longer to get the mouse going from zero movement to starting that movement. Where on glass, it feels like it goes immediately without that extra friction to slow down that initial movement. The biggest difference for me in a game like Battlefield 6 is the micro adjustments on this glass pad, because when you're in a gunfight, your aim has to be super tight in this game and you have to control the spread of the shot. This makes it so much easier to control your smaller movements because you don't feel like the mouse is fighting against the pad when you're just trying to move a little bit. You're able to be really precise with almost no effort, so you're not jumpy when you aim and you're not all over the place when you panic shoot. And you might think, wouldn't the faster glass pad make panic shooting even harder to control? If your sensitivity is too high, then it will be harder to control. What gives you more control is that on cloth, you might have too much pull on that initial movement and then you overshoot your aim, and then you have to make adjustments to make up for that extra movement that you didn't intend to make. I think the SP-005 gives you a balance of good amount of speed and maintaining control at the same time. So after that, I want to try Rivals and Overwatch to see how those feel. If you play any type of support class, it's so much easier to track on this because you get really smooth, consistent glides across the glass, so it makes it easier to follow the person you're trying to heal while they're running around during the battle. It was way easier to heal my teammates than before. You're also able to turn and change direction super quick since this glass has a slight texture that helps you control the slide, even though you're able to move your mouse quicker. It's just enough to be able to control when you need to. You can see how I can spin the mouse enough, but not spin it forever like it's on ice. Like I was saying earlier, the cloth pad feels like the friction makes a difference when you start to move the mouse, and it takes longer than the glass. This is the same in these games when you need to switch directions or do a 180 or something. If someone's behind you that you need to heal or attack. If you play more competitive games like Counter-Strike 2 or Valorant, you're able to do super precise micro adjustments while moving side to side, quick little mouse flicks when you need to take down multiple targets. And to me, it felt like it was easier to be more accurate with your shots, which is really important in games like this because it only takes one shot to take somebody down. I think if you're like jittery though, like this is gonna show on a mouse pad like this because every little movement shows, you know, it's kind of like having like a high resolution monitor where it shows every flaw. So if you're having a bad day or something and your aim's just off or you're just off that day, then I think you'll have a harder time on a faster pad like this. Valorant, I had to turn down my sensitivity a little bit because it was a little bit too quick, I think, at first. One thing I noticed while using the glass pad is that I wasn't gripping the mouse as hard as I do with the cloth pad. It was just like a lot less tension in my hand. Since it's easier to move around and point exactly where you want, I don't grip it as tight. Like my hand used to get tired before on a cloth pad from the tension of just gripping it, especially on games where I needed to make a lot of micro adjustments. So this actually helps you play longer and play better for a longer period because you don't get tired as fast. I'm sure you can train yourself to do this with any mouse pad, but I feel like this one helped. At first it's easy to move your arm around, but after like a few minutes of playing, or if you live in a place that's hot, your arm's gonna get sticky against this glass and it's gonna start getting, it's gonna get stuck on there. So if you're the type of gamer that sweats a lot, or if you live in a hot place, I would just get a sleeve. And some people, they think like, oh, it looks stupid or nerdy or whatever. Like, I think it looks pretty dope. This thing is like similar to, what do you call it? Those Nike, like those Nike things that you wear when you work out, like the tight, like keeps you cool, So, I was cool with it. I think it looks pretty dope, and I don't mind wearing one. I usually don't have to, but sometimes, sometimes you need it. I think the temperature of the glass would bother me more because when it's cold, it gets super cold. Like this thing is like a block of ice sometimes. I already feel it compared to the cloth pad because that one stays warmer and it feels better to me than the cool glass. With all that being said, I do think you need to change your sensitivity for some certain games. Just see how you feel with each game, and everyone's gonna have a different preference. Also, the skates you put on your mouse makes a big difference. I use the Wallhack silent speed skates because I like the faster movement when I'm playing FPS games. I'm used to playing like the run and gun type on the like Call of Duty. This will be a preference, but since the SP-005 is like the middle ground, like a balanced mouse pad, versus the CR-005, which is like a control one, and VA-005, which is like the speed one. The different skates between speed and control, that's gonna sway you in either one of those directions, whether it's more speed or more control. I think if you have a hard time controlling your mouse movements when you panic shoot, or when you're doing those quick mouse flicks and you tend to overshoot, then you might wanna try skates that give you a little bit more control, or maybe even, I don't know, I think try out this Glasspad and then see how you feel. And if you still, after practicing on it, you still feel like you need more control, maybe go with like the CR-005 instead. I think Glasspads are nice to have like overall, but it's definitely more beneficial for FPS games. Like, don't buy this for 3D chess or like NBA 2K or something. This thing is crazy expensive for a mouse pad, 129 bucks. When I decided to switch to a Glasspad, I was actually shocked by the price. If I really think about it, the cloth pad that I had before, it was like 70 bucks, and I always have to wash that thing or clean it, and right underneath where I use the mouse a lot, it would show a lot of wear, so like the color would fade. And the only reason I really kept it that long was because it had the lights around it, and I paid 70 bucks for it. And the feeling wasn't always consistent either. Like, if you get anything on the mouse pad and after using it for a while, it doesn't glide the same. And you get inconsistent movements depending on how much pressure you put on the mouse. This Glasspad, it won't change over time or get worn out, and you can easily clean anything you spill on it. You do have to clean off dust like pretty much every time you use it, but it comes with this microfiber cloth that I just keep it on the side of the mouse pad, and it makes it easy for me to clean it before every use. And that actually helps me, keep my desk clean and just have my area clean, I think. So I think that's beneficial. So this is something that you can keep for a really long time and not have to switch out, and you get super accurate movement and consistent glides across the pad. To me, it's one of those things that after I've used it, I don't want to go back to a cloth pad. Like, I don't think I would ever go back to one. Like I said, this feels like how it does when you unlock a new ability in a game that just makes the game different from that point on. This is one of my favorite and most impactful gaming upgrades. If you've ever tried a glass mouse pad, let me know how you like it versus cloth. I definitely want to hear your experience making the switch. If you guys want to see a comparison between this one and some of the other Wallhack glass mouse pads, let me know in the comments, and I'll see what I can do about getting a couple of those. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all at the next one. All right, peace.